Start.
I am playing with these blocks. These are so good. Wow, Bisang, do you want to play with this?
It's so bored. Why are you playing?
Say, Sabrina, do you want to play with this airplane? Because I've got the big one.
I don't really feel like it. I really want to play toy guns.
We don't have guns. What should we do now?
You're right, but let's go to the shop.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. After 1 hour of searching,
Oh, no shops are open. What would you do, Sabrina?
what is it?
Oh, Sabrina, I have got the new toy shop here.
Oh, really? I'm coming.
Fast.
Okay, I'm coming. Wow, there's so many guns. How much is this one? Oh, this one.
This is 500. This is 60.
60?
Yes.
Which one do you want?
I want the bigger one.
The
This is
bigger
500.
one?
No, this is 500. It's 78.
78?
723.
Okay. So we're gonna buy this one.
Okay.
We're gonna buy this one for him.
No,
Okay.
it's broken. Give me that.
Oh, it's
Good.
broken.
Okay, lah. Say.
Give me.
That's good.
No, give me.
It's
You want
broken.
Can you fix it? Can you fix this?
Yes, right? Wait. So he's gonna fix it now. Tanta fix. How much is this?
That is 500.
500. Okay.
No, that is 689 40.
I think I get this. Oh no! My son. Yes, here you go. Fix it.
Okay.
Babu, that's a screwdriver. Is this okay?
Okay.
Here you go, Baba.
Okay, good. Is this fixed now?
Okay, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Now he's gonna fix mine.
700.
I need some bullets. There is no bullet in this gun.
There is over there.
Where? No, that's not the bullet.
So
Okay,
he's
yeah.
fixing my bandit.
Give me 2 bullets.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Give me that. Give me
Give me
money.
that. two-
First 560 money.
I
I
think
don't have money. I'll give it to you
I
tomorrow.
think yum 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 yum.
No, I
think-
don't have money.
Oh no! I don't have money. Do you have money?
No, I don't have money.
Give me. No money. No bundle.
Okay, take it back then. I'll come tomorrow, okay?
No, we're not coming tomorrow. We're coming now.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay, I don't have money.
Wait,
That's right.
we are going to get money, okay?
No money. No toys. No toys and helicopter.
Thank you very much.
This is the bullet.
Give us bullet. Give.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm playing with cars.
Okay.
Spider-Man car.
He
is
has
here.
a lot of bullets, so this one is. So we're gonna. Jida,
You know.
Thank you. So, oh no, I'm sorry.
This.
So we are going to buy this one and this one. Don't sleep on the shop.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. Okay, thank you. Baba, come on.
Yes. Is my gun ready?
Look at this.
Is this fixed?
This one link.
Thank you.
Mother.
Now we go home. Look, we got
Okay,
our
we have got that.
guns. We have got our toy guns.
Yeah.
So we're gonna play now. Let's go home.
Okay. Part 2
Now let's go play with our bundles. Let's go home.
Let's go.
Oh no, Bully.
Now we're home. Now let's play. Oh no, I'm out of bullets.
Me too. We need to buy some bullets now.
Yeah, let's go. Oh no, the store is closed. What should we do?
Oh, we're gonna find another store. Let's go find it.
Okay. Hey guys.
Okay, hi. This is our
End of the video.
See you in the next video.
Video.
Don't
Bye.
forget to
And don't forget